known them. You must already be knowing. And they wake us up around 12 midnight as well, because they tend to feel that it's morning now. Hello. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. So, hello. Meet these beautiful ladies here. Look at that orange and white one. So beautiful. And tiny ones. This place is very, very close to nature. Just loving it. So there are many of them. Almost everyone has got pair. And I got to know this little one here is very mischievous. Pretends to be innocent but not. And you can see both of them over there. And look at them. Aren't they beautiful? All the time chirping, singing their home. Hello. Hello. Busy on setting. Here are some below as well. Now let me take you somewhere else. Hey. Hello. Come out. Hi. That's the sleepyhead there after eating food, and this one is trying hard to come out. Yes. Hello. Yes. Asking me to take it out. And that one is a bit scared. These are sleeping rabbits, mama rabbits, and they are cute small babies. Hello. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Hello. It is busy in eating. Hey, hey, hello. Yes, hi, hi, hi. Hello.